Everyone, and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and the NASDAQ 100. So I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen. So this currency pair is progressing well to the upside relative to what we spoke yesterday. So the upside continuation is pretty much present. And the rejection of the 20-day moving average at this point was really a key at this point. So what I see at this point is that there is a chance for higher prices, and we have an upside objective at 156.27, and then the next one around this resistance cluster around 157.85. So those are like next upside objectives short term. Hourly time frame is holding very well. We had like a break of consolidation, more like a ascending triangle, and you can see also the weekly held the 20-bar moving average in the previous key swing high. So this was a very good area, and that's why we saw that buyers stepped in from this point. So buyers in control and potential for the further upside movement on the USD yen. Now watching pound dollar, we can see that hourly shifted. We have a shift, so we changed the trend dynamic from bullish to bearish. We actually cleared a key support on the hourly, and there is a chance for a downside continuation from my perspective. You can also see here rejection of the 50-bar moving average, and that is a good potential for the further downside movement towards the 57,000 mark short term. So there will be a chance that this pin bar, that we can take this pin bar and trade below on this pin bar from the weekly time frame. And now dollar index pretty much held a 50-bar, 50-day moving average, rising moving average. And you can see on the hourly that we had absorption of this selling climax. It took a while for market to the consolidation, and now we start to build higher lows. So I think a good chance for dollar index to trade towards 105.90 or even full retest of 106.50 mark short term. So gold market is still in consolidation already for about 5 to 6 days. We have a support at 22.76 and resistance around 23.50. So the break of support can be a good sign for the drop, at least towards 22.20, but maybe even towards 21.60. From the other side, if market can break like the 23.53, there'll be a chance for the rally towards 23.85. So far just consolidation that is going on. Crude oil, a seller's in control. There's no doubt about that. Lower highs, a series of the lower highs and lower lows. The weekly close on the low. I can see the tight consolidation here, so I see potential for the further drop towards 75.80 or even drop towards the 72 mark, short term speaking. So sellers in control on the dollar, on the crude oil. And then we have a NASDAQ 100. So we have a pretty much a consolidation day. We'll have the pin bar, we'll have the tail. Massive resistance from the previous price action at this point. And as long as this is in control and we don't break and hold above this cluster, from my perspective, there is a chance for a downside movement and for the bigger downside movement to develop. So potentially all of this movement here is a corrective based on this selling that will happen here. So that's from my view, but we need to see a confirmation on the hourly and some beginning of the sell-off, and if market can hold below. For example, if market can trade below 18,000 mark and hold below, there will be a chance for a downside continuation as well on the daily time frame. So that will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you tomorrow. But on the